Hi, welcome to Illustrate, your very own school search engine that helps you find the best schools for your kid based on various filters and parameters.
Today we have with us Dr. Rachna Sharma, who works as an educator at KIT World School, Gurugram branch, to get to know more details about the school. Let's have a conversation with her. Hello, ma'am.
Hello.
Ma'am, to begin with, what does a typical day at the school be like?
A typical day at KIT World School is dynamic and learner centric. It begins with the mindfulness and IKS based activities, followed by engaging academic sessions, hands on tasks, and enriched periods for sports, dance, music. I must say that the environment is energetic, structured, and students friendly. So this is how we start the day at school.
Got it. As you teach political science for grade 11 and 12, so how do you adapt your teaching strategies to meet the needs of diverse student body?
I use differentiated instructions and activity-based learning, blended learning approach, blended learning tools. And I also prepare personalized worksheets, keeping in mind the diverse needs of the students. So I must say that KIT, we embrace diversity. Teachers are trained to address different learning styles through innovative pedagogy.
Got it. So, can you also talk about what kind of extra care do you actually invest in students who are not so fast learners and take some time to adjust to the environment and pick up?
We organize different counseling sessions and training sessions for them, and regular meetings with the parents. And if they require, then we also schedule the meetings with counselors also to show them extra care. And we prepare the learning material according to their needs also.
Okay. Can you also talk about what kind of technology you use in your teaching style, particularly you as an educator and also the other faculty as well?
We have smart boards or interactive boards in all the classrooms at KIT, and technology is very nicely integrated in teaching learning process. We use Google Tools and digital content, and everything is recorded or maintained digitally. And we have Google Classrooms for all the students. So this is how we use technology, and we also have different WhatsApp groups with students also. So to share or to communicate. And I must say that with the use of technology, we are available for students 24 into 7.
Got it, ma'am. So, also, do we have any kind of tools for parents to track the progress of their kid?
Yes, we have Campus Pro, and some school have created its own software where the parents of students can access the progress and attendance and everything, the remarks of the teachers. We have Campus Pro software for that.
Got it. In today's world, it's quite important that even educators keep updating themselves on a daily basis. So, what kind of professional development opportunities does the school provide to enhance your teaching skills?
School always encourages us, motivate us to attend different training programs, workshops, seminars, conferences, and especially CBSE trainings and IKS integrated modules also. And myself is an IKS master trainer. So our school encourages us a lot. Matlab, it's upon us that we should not miss any opportunity to train ourselves and to upgrade ourselves. So we are learning, we are developing, and we are coming to know about the global best practices through our training programs.
Got it, ma'am. Can you also talk about what kind of strategies do you use to keep students engaging in your teaching style so that they're not driving away from the topic that you're explaining?
Yes, I used to engage them in discussion. And sometimes I used to play the video if they are getting bored, then I used to play the relevant video. I love to narrate stories. So I usually integrate their topics with stories from Panchatantra or Niti Shastra. So classroom remains, all the students remain engaged in my classroom, I must say. So they take interest in stories. Storytelling is my way to teach students. Storytelling and digital content.
Got it, ma'am. What do you think is one major USP of KIT World School Gurugram branch? that parents should definitely know?
Holistic development of students and value-based teaching. So, along with modern technology, modern knowledge, we embrace and we encourage students not to leave Indian culture, Indian ethos, and Indian values. This is our USP. We always try to imbibe the gratitude, regularity, and positive attitude among students. So this is how we promote Indian values along with the modern education.
Got it, ma'am. Ma'am, can you also talk a bit about the curriculum and how is it designed to cater different learning styles?
Being a CBSE affiliated school, we follow the curriculum of CBSE integrated with NEP 2020 and experiential learning and innovative learning approaches we use. So we try to design our curriculum for the students of different learning styles, whether it is visual, auditory, or kinesthetic. We try to meet the needs of all types of students. And we also have clubs to inculcate the values of sustainable development. So we have recycling club. Our students also have developed organic kitchen garden in our campus. So we are teaching all these things also.
Got it. Ma'am, what do you think is the biggest challenge in teaching political science? And how do you make sure you're overcoming those challenges and helping students understand the concepts?
Biggest challenge, students face difficulty in learning so many political parties and years and theoretical part. Otherwise, it is an interesting subject and I never faced a big challenge. They are doing good. So as such, there is no challenge in teaching political science. Only the part which they have to cram. So that is a challenge. Otherwise, there is no challenge.
Got it. So what kind of advice do you give for teachers who are looking for schools, and especially if they want to join and try for an opportunity in KIT World School?
I must say that they should be ready to learn and collaborate. KIT provides a rich platform to develop, and teachers should be ready to make full use of training opportunities, innovative practices, and supportive learning environment at KIT. It is a very good platform to learn. And being an alumni and faculty at KIT, I must say that I am a proud KITian.
Got it. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for joining and sharing some of your insights about the school.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.